Hey everybody, so I'm going to give you a brief overview of the document we will be using to read Romeo and Juliet. I've made this video a couple different times, and hopefully this is my last time making it. So this document is unique because it gives us both the original language from the play, which is over here, and then it also gives us modern day, everyday English. Now, I don't typically use this sort of side-by-side version of the play in class, but given the fact that we are all isolated and I won't see you face-to-face for a little while, I figured this would be the best way to go about reading the play. That being said, it's important to look at both sides of the play with emphasis on you guessed it, the original language. The original language has the metaphors, it has the imagery, it has all the emotion. You lose a lot of that when it's broken down into like the boring everyday stuff. However, use the right hand side of the page to help you understand it and translate it. That being said, when I'm gonna, if there's a reading check quiz online, or if I ask you to write a short response and include evidence from the play, I'm gonna ask you to use this side, okay? I should not receive any quotations or evidence from the translated version. So this is a no bueno, okay? You're gonna use it to help you, but I don't wanna see it in any of your assignments. Clear? Cool. Other stuff. So I did my best to make this document easy to read. There is a page number up here. That is the page number that we're going to refer to. That is the page number that we're going to refer to. This guy up here. I won't refer to page numbers often. I'm emphasizing the page number now because the document gives you these weird page number headings. Just ignore the headings and keep reading. Okay, so if you're reading Samson to Gregory, you're just going to keep reading down the page. You're going to read the play just this direction. Okay, as you read, you can refer to the stuff over here. Now you'll notice it's not perfect. The lines don't perfectly match up. And what I mean by that is like Samson is here and he's here, but the left side only has one line. The Samson on the right has two lines. That's because when it's translated, it just takes a little bit more work to kind of pull apart Shakespeare's language and simplify it. Okay, so just be aware of that as you are using the right-hand side just to help you out. The plays are broken down into acts. Each act has a scene, or multiple scenes, I should say. I did my best to go through and just organize it for you. So Act 1 is going to be yellow. Act 2 and the scenes for Act 2 are going to be pink. Act 3 and all those scenes are going to be blue. Act 4 is all going to be purple. All the stuff for Act 5 is going to be green. So I'm going to just scroll down and see if I can find an example for you. So this is Act 1, Scene 2 is going to be yellow. And then when it gets to the next scene, that's going to be yellow as well. Then when it finally changes to the next act, it should be a different color. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here's the beginning of Act 2, which is a different color. Now, depending on how you're viewing it, like if you download it as a PDF, you download it by going up here on the right-hand side. I think you should be able to see as I'm moving it around. There's a little downward arrow with the box thingy. Just download it, and that should keep all the colors. If not, I think it will just keep all the different acts highlighted yellow as a default, which is kind of lame. But as long as they're highlighted, it'll help you see where you are and where you're reading. The main thing I want you to remember is just to ignore these crossed out things, okay? That would just make everybody really confused. If you have questions about this document as you're reading, please reach out if it's confusing for you. I know we all learn differently, so I'm trying to get ahead of it now. Thank you so much. I will talk to you guys later.